Have you ever paused and wondered? What's really going to keep you ahead in the AI revolution? Not just surviving, but thriving? We're talking about staying ahead of 97% of the population by mastering the skills that actually matter. And no, you don't need to be a coder, a data scientist, or some kind of Silicon Valley genius to do it. This video is your wake-up call. The world is changing fast, and those who prepare now will dominate tomorrow. So stay with me until the end, because the last skill might just reshape your entire future. Let's dive into the top 9 AI skills you need to learn now. Non-technical, real-world power skills that'll future-proof your success in an AI-driven world. First up, prompt engineering. Think of AI as your personal genie. But here's the catch. It only works if you ask it the right way. That's what prompt engineering is all about. It's part logic, part psychology, and part creativity. It's like knowing the cheat codes to reality. Want to write a viral blog post? Don't just say, write about dating apps. Instead, say, act as a world-class relationship coach. Write a blog post about the top 5 benefits of dating apps for men. Boom. Now the AI has context, purpose, and personality. People who master prompt engineering will be like AI whisperers. They'll run circles around others who type lazy inputs and get garbage results. Want to influence how machines think? Start by learning how to talk to them. And be honest, have you ever yelled at ChatGPT for giving you a dumb answer? Yeah, that was on you. Time to level up. Next, AI-powered personal branding. If you don't define your brand, AI and the algorithm will do it for you. Personal branding today isn't just about a nice headshot and a catchy bio. It's about creating an AI-enhanced digital identity that works for you 24/7. Think AI-generated logos, automated content creation, scheduled social posts, and virtual assistants managing your DMs. It's like cloning your best self and putting it to work online. Imagine you're a freelance designer. With AI tools, your portfolio updates itself, your brand voice stays consistent, and your audience engagement is handled while you sleep. That's not a hustle, it's a system. And coming up next, we'll show you how to make cold data feel like a story from your favorite movie. Let's talk about data storytelling and visualization. Numbers don't lie, but they sure can bore. This skill is about transforming data into persuasive visual stories that inspire action. Let's say you work for a nonprofit solving the water crisis. You could bury your donors in spreadsheets, or you could show them an animated map of real-time water shortages across the globe. Suddenly, they care. This is how you bridge the cold logic of AI with the emotional intelligence of humans. It's how leaders move audiences, not with facts, but with the feeling behind the facts. And hey, if Excel makes your eyes glaze over faster than your grandma's photo slideshow, you're not alone. That's exactly why this skill matters. Now, creative AI thinking. This one's your golden ticket. It's not about using AI, it's about dreaming with it. Creative AI thinking means imagining bold, crazy, game-changing ways to use AI in your world. An artist uses AI to generate hypnotic, futuristic visuals. A music producer mixes AI-generated harmonies with human emotion. A chef designs recipes using AI nutrition models. This is the future. Collaboration between man and machine. And here's the secret. AI isn't here to replace creativity. It's here to amplify it. And if you're ready to turn bold ideas into real business moves, our next skill is for you. Let's move into AI business strategy and implementation. Having AI tools is one thing. Knowing how to use them to drive business results, that's elite. Imagine you run a retail chain. AI can optimize your supply chain, predict inventory, and even track customer behavior in real time. But only if you know how to build the roadmap, avoid ethical landmines, and train your people to use the tools effectively. This skill is about seeing the bigger picture, building an AI strategy that saves time, cuts costs, and gives your business a competitive edge. But even the smartest strategy is useless without someone to bring it to life, and that's where we go next. Artificial intelligence project management. You don't need to code, but you do need to lead. AI project managers are the unsung heroes making it all work behind the scenes. You'll be juggling budgets, teams, timelines, and technologies. Let's say your airline is building an AI chatbot. You'll coordinate engineers, marketers, legal teams, and customer support, while ensuring the chatbot sounds like your brand and handles real-world scenarios. It's a high-responsibility role with high rewards. Think of yourself as the conductor of a symphony, but instead of violins, you've got algorithms, data scientists, and deadlines. And no, you don't need a tech degree, but you will need nerves of steel and a calendar that's color-coded like a Christmas tree. Now let's break down natural language processing, also known as NLP, literacy. Don't let the term scare you. NLP is simply how machines understand human language. Even a basic grasp of this gives you an edge in every industry. Let's say you're in marketing. With NLP-powered sentiment tools, you can instantly measure how people feel about your brand. Joy, anger, sarcasm, all decoded in seconds. The magic isn't in building NLP models, it's in using them intelligently. Knowing how to read the results, tweak your inputs, and turn insights into action? That's where the value is. And now, we go from language to something even more powerful, your mindset. Curiosity and continuous learning. AI is evolving at breakneck speed. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. Curiosity isn't a trait anymore. It's a survival strategy. Whether it's testing a new AI platform, watching a tutorial, or reading an article, those little actions add up. They build your confidence, expand your toolbox, make you irreplaceable. Think of a marketer who stumbles on an AI tool that triples ad performance because they were curious enough to explore. They saved their company thousands and became a legend. So if you're the kind of person who Googles how to make better coffee with AI, congrats. You're exactly who the future needs. And finally, the ninth skill. Intuitive understanding of AI's limitations. Here's the twist. The final skill is knowing when not to use AI. Let's say you're a recruiter using AI to screen resumes. Sounds efficient, until the algorithm starts rejecting candidates based on biased data. Knowing where AI breaks, and how to correct it, is leadership. This skill is about asking the hard questions. Is this ethical? Is this fair? Will this hurt people? Because responsible AI isn't just smart, it's human. And the people who can see those blind spots, they'll be trusted advisors, not just tool users. If you made it this far, you're not just watching, you're evolving. Comment below with the word 100 so we know you're committed to building your AI future. But don't stop here. The next video on your screen will show you how AI is getting terrifyingly good at reading your thoughts. You seriously don't want to miss that. Hit subscribe, stay sharp, and remember, in the age of AI, it's not about man versus machine. It's about those who adapt and those who get left behind.